part 1 of the MSU Go Green Bicycle Tour. This segment focuses on the Biocrude technology being developed at the Dave C. Swam School of Chemical Engineering. On our way to Swam, we will take a look at other sustainable efforts in place at MSU. Our first stop takes us to Davis Wade Stadium to take a look at the recycling efforts for game day activities. This year marks the first time MSU has employed a Go Green initiative through its athletic department. The Green Game Day Sustainable Season adds more structure to the recycling program and encourages sports fans to maintain a clean environment by picking up trash. Next, we will visit Perry Cafeteria to find out more about how they are working to become more green-oriented. MSU Dining is reducing its environmental footprint by providing regionally grown produce, using biodegradable containers and green seal chemicals, as well as several other practices. Moving on to our next stop, we will take a look at the MSU Eco Car. MSU is participating in a nationwide university challenge to improve the next generation of transportation by engineering energy-efficient vehicles. MSU's involvement includes 58 students who are converting a Saturn Vue to a plug-in hybrid that runs on B20 biodiesel. During our final stop at Swam, we'll visit with Dr. Todd French, assistant professor at the Dave C. Swam School of Chemical Engineering, to talk about the Biocrude technology he created with Dr. Rafael Hernandez. This technology uses wastewater and has the potential to produce 7 billion gallons of diesel-like fuel, accounting for nearly 10% of U.S. fuel consumption.
So what Dr. Hernandez and me did was said, okay, we can take the fact that this wastewater treatment plant grows cells and say we're going to grow cells that are specialized in making biofuel feedstocks. And so what we've done is we use existing wastewater infrastructure, all the tanks that mix and stir and supply oxygen. We use that to grow up our cells. Then we take these cells, and you've heard of lignocellulosic biomass or biofuels from biomass. We can feed these cells biomass, and they in turn generate and make fat. The same kind of fat that you spread on the toast, the same kind of fat that you fry French fries with, microorganisms can actually manufacture that same type of fat. And we get the bugs, feed them the sugars, they generate the fats. We use the existing structures that separate the cells out of the water, the same ones they use every day, separate our cells, and then we harvest the oil out of the cells, and that oil goes to make a biodiesel or a diesel.
Join us next time when we meet with energy engineer J.D. Hardy at the Central Mechanical Plant to talk about energy conservation. For more information on how to get involved, visit the MSU Eco website.